Why egg is called a spirit? Egg is a spirit. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Assurance Solution. My name is Mercy and I'm the queen of positivity. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and return subscribers. God bless you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I want to talk about egg. Why egg is called a spirit. Now, everything that has breath, praise the Lord. Anything that has breath is something that has life. An egg is something that gives life. When you incubate an egg, it hatch, it will bring out chickens. Egg give birth to according to the things that lay the egg. If it is a chicken that lays this egg, it will give birth to a chicken. If it's snake that lay egg, it give birth to a snake. If it is human being as a woman that lay eggs in her womb, it will fertilize, it will give birth to a woman being. Every living thing that has breath, that breathes, come through the process of egg. That is why egg is a spirit. A fish lay egg to produce another fish. Animals lay egg to produce another egg, to produce another animal. Once you are a female, you must lay egg. It is natural like that. Egg is used to appease spirits. Egg is used to break curse. When you are being cursed by man, by woman, egg is what you will use to break that curse. When you are being followed, you are being cursed by a spirit, you are being troubled by a spirit, you use egg. You want to do appeasement, you use egg to appease a spirit. But those appeasing a spirit, you must be careful to know the spirit you are appeasing, so that you will not appease that spirit. He will begin to torment you every time. He will be demanding from you. Every time in the morning we come, oh yeah, give me goat, you chop. Evening we say, oh yeah, that goat you give me is too small. Give me another one. You give me two, you chop. The following day, it's already on your door. What do you want again? I need another 3 goats. The blood was not enough. Okay? So be careful. The spirit you want to appease. But you can use egg to appease your guardian angels. Yes. Your chi, your spirit man, the other mercy in the realm of the spirits. Yes, it's like when you are walking, your shadow is following you. That your shadow is the other you in the spirit world. When you sleep, your spirit, your other spirit, you travel, you dream, you move around, you come. This one is my flesh. Okay, I can use egg to appease your chi. In doing that, you will take red palm oil, you will apply it on the egg, because red oil symbolizing peace. When it comes to appeasement, you apply it on the egg. On this side of the egg, you apply it another side. When you are done that one, you just drop it on a crossroad. Anything that happened to the egg is none of your business. Okay. You use egg to destroy evil. That is why it's called a spirit. You say, anyone that has done evil against me, anyone that is holding me, anyone, as I smash this egg, I smash your life, I smash this thing, you smash it, it will work. If there is no spirit in it, if there is no life in it, it will not work. Somebody curse you and the person died. The person could not revise that curse before he died. You get this egg. You apply palm oil, red oil on this egg. Once you apply it, you pray. You call the person's name, then you are appeasing the spirit to remove that curse. This is what you have to give him. To remove that curse he or she has laid upon you while he's alive. When you are done, you go to where people pass, leg pass, because road is meant for people to pass. But it's not only people that pass that road. Spirits pass that road. Demons pass that road. So many things pass through that road. Human being pass in the daytime. Afternoon, spirits move on their own. Night, people when they do night work move. So many things pass through the road. You just go there, you smash it there. They buried anything on the ground. They buried anything. You make your prayer, you smash that egg. That thing they buried on the ground will be destroyed. A lot of things for you to do with this egg. You can do a 21 days egg cleansing with intention. It will give you liberation. It will give you deliverance. It will give you breakthrough. Because egg is a spirit. It's very fragile. But somebody has thrown egg from upstairs, down floor. Egg did not break. So more of you carry so many accumulated energies all over you. So many spirits has put hand in your life. Hand of witchcraft is there. Hand of marine is there. That is spiritual man is there. Hand of occultic man is there. Hand of jealous spirit is there. So many hands in your life. This one is dragging your back. This one is dragging your front. This one is dragging your tummy. No baby will enter. This one is dragging your face. No play. They are dragging you. You can use egg cleansing with intention to remove every spirit in me, dragging me backwardness. You use egg cleansing with intention and remove that spirit of backwardness and stop complaining. The more you complain, the more you magnify your problem. The more you increase the problem, the more you put fuel on that problem, it will become more bigger. God forbid, problem will not be bigger than me. My God is bigger and is able to deliver me. And if he said he will not deliver me, let the case remain like that. Problem will not cover you. Okay? Nothing is working. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. What have you done? Nothing. You check the channel. You check my video. You check other people's video. It makes sense. You try it. You are lazy to do assignments. Especially when you know egg is affordable. You dey fry. You dey chop egg. Bread. Egg. Yam. Egg. Sausage. Egg. Baked cake. Egg. Bread. Egg. Tea. Sandwich. Toast bread. You consume physical. Consume egg cleansing spiritual as well. You can get 1 crate of egg. You fortify the egg. You pray on that egg. You and your whole household be using it one a day for cleansing. A lot. Heavy breakthrough will enter your home. You can use egg to clean your home. You have a shop. You are not selling. You have a hope. Something is not moving. You can pray on this egg. When you pray on it, apply red oil. Anything done on this house that is making this house not to progress, making us not to progress, you smash the egg there. That thing is broken. Whatever they buried is destroyed. You have a business premises. Anything that they are buried in this shop, in this business, is making us to progress. You drop your palm oil. As I smash it, I break that yoke. Let that spirit disappear. Because he's a spirit, he will fight that spirit that is blocking your business not to move. The spirit will find, they will, in fact, Spirit to attack spirit. They will go, you smash it at the center of your shop or at the entrance of your shop. That is it. When egg break, 2 days it smells. When it starts smelling like this, you'll be surprised. Why is it smelling? Once egg is bad inside, it is bad. It's a bad omen self. When you have a crate of egg, it didn't break, it just spoiled inside. It's a bad omen. I will still bring you more on this egg while I tell you that egg is a spirit. With egg, you can solve multiple problems by your own self and with God on your side. You can use egg to pray for prayer of mercy. You can use egg to ask for the fruit of the womb. I'm coming to that. You can use egg to do love portion. With the share. You can use egg to do assignments. You become invisible for destruction. Invisible for any destruction. Yes. Nobody will be able to destroy you. You can use egg for that. You can use egg to do money ritual. Ritual without no blood. Ritual without sharing blood. Like the one that is going on now. Those of them following me on live can have explained that. They're already paying to queue in for that prayer for wealth. Maybe I'll try and upload it on the channel. But once I do it, once I finish this first set, next time will be next year. So I'm still giving grace. People are still paying. Okay. You can use egg to do ritual for wealth without sharing blood. It's not only blood that gives money. There are some things that give money. Natural money. Jesus. That give natural money. If they take your name and break egg on your name, you have to break egg to revise it. Egg is egg. If it's not egg, it cannot be replaced. That is why egg is a spirit. This is where I want to stop for part 1. You watch out for the next part while I throw more light why this egg is a spirit. Thank you for watching. Bye.